Hey everybody, Jake here for Extreme Terrain, and in this video we're taking a look at the Raxium LED ring tail lights with black housings and clear lenses, fitting 2014 to 2021 Tundras. These are a perfect choice for the Tundra owner who's looking for improved lighting output and eye-catching good looks at an affordable price. Featuring a fully LED setup and a unique style, these are going to turn heads, but they're not going to have you turning your wallet inside out. The stock taillights on this gen of Tundra are fine, but they're not exactly what you'd call a paragon of style. These ones though have style in spades. You get a bunch of LED lighting elements here, including the large bar around the outer edge, and you've got these kind of oblong hexagonal rings in the center. Now these have smaller rings inside them, giving it a unique layered appearance. Now, these all put out a nice diffused red light that is much brighter than your factory taillights, allowing your truck to be more visible on the street or trail. And in the center, you get even more LEDs which double as your reverse lights and your turn signals. And while the lighting output here is great, the style is really where it's at. I can't exactly place it, but these give me some pretty serious sci-fi or even 80s retro vibes. And frankly, I'm here for it. If you are too, you're gonna like these. Construction of the outer housings is ABS plastic, known for its strength and lightweight. You get clear polycarbonate lenses over top as well, so this is pretty much the industry standard as far as construction. These are weather sealed to keep dirt and moisture from damaging the electronics inside, and of course they are fully LED, so there's no incandescent bulbs to worry about, meaning that these should last you a good long while. You also have integrated resistors, so you're not going to get issues with flickering or hyperflashing, and these are DOT and SAE approved, meaning that they are also fully street legal. Pricing comes in at about $350, and that puts them kind of in the middle of the pack when it comes to taillights for this gen of Tundra. These are a great option for you if you want full LED taillights and you want to make your truck stand out in a crowd. And you get lots of the big name benefits here without that big name price tag. So if you like the style and you want some more output, these are worth spending a little bit of extra money to get. Installation gets an easy 1 out of 3 on our difficulty meter, and the job should take you around 30 minutes to complete. This is a total plug and play operation, doesn't require you to do any wiring or make any permanent modifications to your truck, so it's one that you can easily tackle at home. Everything is just gonna plug right in. You're gonna reuse those factory bolts too. Enough of me talking about it though, let's head on out to the shop and we'll walk you through that install process.
For this install, you will need a ratchet, an adapter if necessary, and a T30 Torx pin. What's up guys, today we're going to be doing some taillights on our Tundra, but before we get started, we're going to send you to watch a quick video on how to remove your factory setup, and we'll see you when you get back.
So now that we got our tailgate down, we're going to have 2 Torx bits, one here, one here. We're going to remove them. That'll give us access to pull our light out, disconnect it, and remove it. So now I'm going to take my T30 Torx and my 3/8 ratchet, get up in here, remove these 2 bolts. That's one, and one down here. That'll give us access to pull our light out here, like that. So now we got our tail light removed. I'm just going to push in on our tabs, pop out our clips. Take that one off, and the bottom one. Now you're going to want to just repeat this uninstall procedure on the opposite side.
Alrighty guys, welcome back. Now that we have our factory lights off, there's a couple things we need to do before we can install our new assembly. So we've got our factory taillight as well as our new taillight up. What we're going to do is go to the back side of our factory lights, and we're going to be reusing these sockets, not the bulbs. So we're going to remove the sockets, and to do that we'll just give them a quarter turn or so counterclockwise. That'll pop them out of place. Now we'll do these one at a time. Once you get your socket out, you're going to remove this bulb. Now if you want to hold on to these bulbs and save them, it's best to use gloves or a rag when touching the glass, because the oils on your skin can cause hot spots and premature failure. We're not really worried about ours, so we'll pop that out. Bring that over to our new taillight assembly. You're going to put these in right as they came out of the original one with these new LED connectors. So we're going to plug this new connector into our factory socket, just like so. Make sure that's secure. We'll tuck this wiring in. get our socket lined up with its seating points. So that can be a little bit tricky. Then we'll give that a quarter turn clockwise to lock that into place. Now we'll do the same thing for our other two sockets. We'll pop this out. Set that bulb aside. Over to our new one. Plug that in. Find its seat. Lock that into place. And we'll do the same for our last socket. Pop that out. Tuck that in. Lock this one down. Now once you have all these done, you can do the same thing for the other side. Now we're ready to install our new taillight. So since these are still the factory connectors, we're going to grab our body side of our harness, start plugging these back in. Just match them up with their factory connector. And we can set our taillight back in place. Don't forget your two side locators. And once we have that in place, we'll reinstall our two T30 Torx screws. Get these loosely in place. And we'll bring back our T30 Torx bit on our ratchet and tighten these down. And once you have this side installed, you can do the same thing on the other side. Alrighty guys, that's going to wrap up our review and install of our Raxium LED ring, tail lights, and black housings and clear lenses for your 14 to 21 Tundra. Thanks for watching, and as always, for everything Tundra, keep it right here at ExtremeTerrain.com.